Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change wallpaper in your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. And okay guys, you only have to do is press and hold the screen in your itel S15 mobile phone, and after that, okay, you can see below the wallpaper. And okay guys, you all have to do is click wallpaper. And okay guys, now you can select the wallpaper you want to change. And okay guys, also you can change via gallery by clicking the gallery on the upper left side of the screen. Okay, click the gallery, and now you can select the picture from your gallery you want to change to your wallpaper. And okay guys, so okay guys, for my example, so I select this one picture to change to my wallpaper. And okay guys, here we have option here. You can set into lock screen or home screen. So I decide to change into both, set into lock screen and home screen. And okay guys, after that, okay, you can click the OK button to save the wallpaper. And okay guys, setting succeed. Okay, we have successfully changed the wallpaper of my itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.